everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. I'm here today to share with you a tutorial on how to personalize a baby onesie. It's one of my favorite gifts for new moms because new moms are so excited about their little baby, and this gives them something that is uniquely theirs. No other baby is going to have the same exact onesie because it's personalized just for them. So I found a cute little onesie for a neighbor baby. It has these little princesses and castles. Really excited. So I made a heat transfer vinyl decal that says Princess Remy on it, and we're going to do that today. Now, the reason that we need a heat press pillow for this project is that baby onesies have these little snaps at the bottom and really thick seams around the neck, especially here where we're doubling over the thick seams. So that can make it difficult for heat transfer vinyl to adhere. Remember that heat transfer vinyl needs heat and pressure. Both are important to get proper adhesion. So the heat press pillow helps us work on the pressure part of that equation. We're going to take our heat press pillow and put it inside our garment. You'll need to adjust the pressure on your heat press in order to accommodate the thickness of your heat press pillow. That's already been done on my machine, so I'm just going to take my cute little decal and put it on. Okay, and then just press as normal, but with the smaller pressure. We've got 15 seconds. And there we have it. So super simple and easy and perfect.